Hi everybody, today I'm going to teach you how to draw Sweet Pea from The Secret Life of Pets. So let's get started. Start off by drawing a letter D shape, and if I go too fast, remember you can use the pause button. Then go ahead and draw guidelines around it as if it were a 3D shape, and these guidelines will be erased later, so make sure to draw them lightly. Then draw a sideways uppercase letter B shape. Not quite an uppercase letter B, but it looks enough like it that it might help you draw it. Use the guidelines to help you place the letter B shape. Then draw a letter U shape for one of the feathers and a few lines for the legs of the bird. Then draw a sideways question mark shape between the two eyes. And then draw a circle in each eye and another upside down letter U shape for the feather. Actually, the other one wasn't upside down, this one is though. And then these are also in blue because they're guidelines. Draw the guidelines of where the feet will be. Then draw a circle on each eye again and a letter C shape around where the beak was started, the question mark shape here. Draw a C around it. And then draw the forehead, and then just draw around the guidelines that we drew in the last step. Draw a letter W shape right here, and another letter W shape here. These are just feathers that are around the legs. And then draw a number 3 shape inside the feathers on the side. Draw a feather that's sticking out and another number 3 shape. And then just draw some wiggly lines on the back of the bird. Draw a sideways letter J shape right here, and draw a letter M shape above the beak. And then draw another number 3 shape at the back of the feathers. And a curved line. And then just erase everything that you don't need, like the bottoms of the eyes that come out right here and here. And the line right here and here. And there you go. You have Sweet Pea, and it was pretty easy. Come back for some more tutorials from The Secret Life of Pets. See you later.